Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Manjul Pratap Singh, ABSIT, College of Pharmacy, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the fluid energy mill or jet energy mill or microfibers or ultrafine grinder. Jet energy mill, microfibers or ultrafine grinder is the synonyms of fluid energy mill. The principle. The principle of fluid energy mill is the material reduced in the size by attrition and impact. The feedstock is suspended within a high velocity air stream in which milling takes place because of high velocity collision between the suspended particles. As we can see in the diagram, a hard material, large size material comes through the hopper and comes from the hopper and it goes into the bottom of the mill. From bottom, a high velocity air is coming and it will pulverize the material into the mill. In second diagram, we can see the air comes and some zone of turbulence will take place. The material flows in the mill compartment, and due to the floating of the material, the attrition or impact will occur. Due to these principles, the material convert into the very fine particles. The uses: it is used for the reduction of particle size of antibiotics and vitamins. This mill is very important because only this mill is used for antibiotic and vitamins. Moderately hard materials can be processed for size reduction. What are the advantages or merit of fluid energy mill? If we want to achieve the ultra fine grinding, we can achieve by the fluid energy mill. This is the major advantage. And in fluid energy mill, the process is in very rapid or very speedy. So it is very rapid process. Now, disadvantage or demerit of fluid energy mill: it is not suitable for soft, tacky, fibrous material. But in ball mill, it is very suitable. It is very expensive. Fluid energy mill is very expensive. So, no anyone can use. Next one mill is the edge runner mill principle. In the edge runner mill, the side action is done by crushing due to the heavy weight of a stone. If we have a very high weight stone and when the material comes into the in between the stones, it will crush. This is the basic principle of the edge runner mill. In the diagram, we can easily see two heavy stone rotate on the pan working. Material to be ground is placed on the bed at the same time travel around the shallow stone bed. So the side reduction achieved by shearing as well as crushing. मटेरियल जो भी हमें मटेरियल का साइज रिड्यूस करना है उसको हम ग्राउंड में एक बेड पे रख देते हैं, जैसे नीचे आप डायग्राम में देख रहे हैं कि बॉटम में दो लार्ज स्टोन के दो हमारे रिवॉल्विंग व्हील्स हैं वो मूव कर रहे हैं, और नीचे बॉटम में जो हमारा मटेरियल है वो व्हाइट कलर का दिख रहा है आपको, वो आराम से साइड रिड्यूस में कन्वर्ट होता जा रहा है. You can see in the diagram. Now uses grinding tough material to fine powder. It is used for the grinding of tough material to the fine powder. The advantage does not require attention during operation. The best advantage is that if we on the machine, on the mill, or matlab in process the mill, no any need of attention, this will run automatically. But the disadvantage is demerits of HRM mill, more space than other mill. It will take more space because large size. Contamination. Due to operation in open environment, there's so many chances for contamination. Time consuming. Due to the slow process or slow speed, it is very time consuming process. It is not used for sticky material. If we have some sticky material, the material will stick on the stones rollers, due to which the operation will be hindered. Next one, mill, end runner mill. In end runner mill, we have a hollow bowl with a scraper. Principle: side action is done by the crushing due to heavy weight of steel pestle. As we can see that diagram, this one is the steel pestle and this is the mortar, steel mortar. Shearing stress is also involved during movement of mortar and pestle. When the pestle move in the mortar, shearing stress will occur, due to which the material will be reduced in the size. Then working, the material to be ground is placed in the motor. The motor revolves at a high speed. The revolving motors causes the pestle to revolve during this process. Side action is achieved. Very simple process. In laboratory, we also use the motor pestle, same like this one. When we rotate the motor into the pestle, the material will be crushed, grind, and reduced in size. The uses of end runner mill, it is used for fine grinding. If we want to need the fine grinding, we can use the end runner mill. Thank you. So the side action chapter is completed. Thank you.